to be good.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video I want to explore using smocking further. Really enjoying doing different techniques with it. And today I've got some blue silky satin fabric which is going to work out well for a 24-inch square piece. So shall we get into it?
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy.
Okay, so we're going to start with the stitching. I'm going to start over here. So in the bottom right of my square that I've put a cross in, and notice I've done the crosses every 3, so 2 gaps and then the third across, all the way across and all the way down. So I'm going to do a tiny little stitch in the corner. I'm using my upholstery thread and I'm on the wrong side of my fabric. Coming over to this side, tiny stitch. Tiny stitch. Tiny stitch. Back to the start. And then we're going to pull the thread. And we've got 4 little petals. So I'm just going to squeeze that, push that bit out of the way, and put a little stitch through the middle to hold it. And tie a knot. So I'm going to do exactly the same on the next one.
Being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true. Yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never.
And then I'm just going to do the rest. So that's the first row done at the top. They're like little petals. And then that's what the other side looks like. So I am going to continue across and down.
Love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true. Yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
The last one.
If you never love me back. They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
There we go. That's it, finished. Oh, guess who's just come in?
Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good?
Are you a bit wet though, Layla? You've been outside. You need to sort yourself out.
If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
How nice is that? I'm loving this one. Thank you so much for spending a bit of your day with me today. Thank you for your continued support, watching me and my tutorials and my videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. Smocking is definitely something that anyone can have a go at, so as long as you've got the fabric, why not have a go? So if you haven't subscribed to this channel already and it's something you're interested in doing because you enjoy my videos, then definitely go for it and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification as well so that you can see when I upload, which is actually every Monday and every Thursday with a brand new free content video. So, hope you have a good week and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye. Oh, what are you doing there? Standing on my piece. There we go. Good girl.